one morning, and I trod down to Linstead to look for a friend of mine who called Brother Brasco. Then we started to have a little talk about everything, about the situation, and this is what he says: we need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. Say the crime is getting high, we need more love on the land. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. So much things is going wrong, we need the Father in our plan. Then I trod on to Olava to look for my cousin Tanya, to ask her how is life, and things and things and things. Then we started to have a little talk about everything, about the situation, and this is what she says: we need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. Say the crime is getting high, we need more love on the land. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. So much things is going wrong, we need the Father in our plan. Oh yeah now. Then I trod on to Clarendon to look for my family, into a little district of Dreadlight. That's where I was born. Then we started to have a little talk together about the situation, and this is what they say: we need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. Say the crime is getting high, we need more love on the land. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. So much things is going wrong, we need the Father in our plan. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. Say the crime is getting high, we need more love on the land. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. So much things is going wrong, we need the Father in our plan. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. Say the crime is getting high, we need more love on the land. We need more love, more love, more love, more love on the land. So much things is going wrong, we need the Father in our plan.